Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
Today's tutorial, we will learn how to order a Tableau Desktop Public Edition bar graph in descending order using two methods. First, we'll need to start Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Then we're going to have to read in a dataset. I'm going to use the dataset, the Complete Pokémon dataset. I'm just going to drag and drop that dataset here into Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So here we have the dataset loaded into Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Then I'm going to go to Sheet 1 in the bottom left-hand corner. And we're going to use the two fields, classification and HP, to create a bar graph visualization. I'm going to first drag classification to columns. So we can see on screen here all the different classifications that a Pokemon can be under. And then I'm going to drag and drop HP here to rows. Then I'm going to change the aggregation for HP, which is currently sum, to average. So I'm going to click on this drop down, go to the measure field and click on average. And then to sort this bar graph in descending order, I can either click on in the y-axis attribute average HP, this bar graph icon. I'll just click on it once and this will sort it in descending order for me from largest to smallest. Or I can go to the top panel here and click on the second bar graph icon, which will sort it again by the average HP field in descending order. So there you have it. This is how you can sort a bar graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition in descending order.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.